Key highlights: PrestaShop Loyalty Points module. Reward customers with points for purchases, registrations, and first orders. Redeem points for discounts at checkout. Customizable rules for points based on cart, product, or behavior. Customers can view and use points from their account. Boost repeat purchases and customer loyalty. Easy backend management for points and notifications. Hi guys, this is module understanding video of PS Loyalty Point module. So here we have to first install the module to first go for the configuration. So proceeding further, first we have to install the module on the PrestaShop to install the module first. You have to click on Module Manager tab here. You will find a button on the right top corner, Upload a module. Then you have to click on the button there. You will find a pop-up like Select File. You have to click here. It will redirect you to install the module. You have to upload it here. Then once the installation is completed, you will find a configure button on the screen like this. You have to click here, and then you will find module in the disabled state by default. So first you have to enable the module. You have to click on Save Once. You will click on Save. You will have a message like configuration has been saved. Setting saved successful. So this shows that the configuration that you have made is being saved successfully. Then you can find the module on the front end. Since you have enabled the module will be visible on the My Account section of the store. You have to go on the front end, then you have to log in. However, this module will works on the rules. So first you have to create the rules according to which the loyalty point tab will be visible. As you can see when you have created an account, and you are able to see the loyalty points tab in your My Account section. So you will open the same, and then you will find a dashboard where you can check the total points already converted, points available points, and a pending ones. Now proceeding further on the configuration of module on the loyalty points, you will have 4 tabs apart from general setting that depends upon the rule balance history and email notification. So once proceeding further with the general setting, next step we have is enter point equivalent currency, where if you are having the multiple currency on your store, then you can mention the equivalent currency amount, like if 1 USD is going to convert into 2 INR or 2 EUR. Whatever the currency you have, you can mention the equivalent ones for the same minimum amount in which the voucher can be used. Here you have to enter the amount of your card on which the voucher can be used, that is earned from the loyalty points. Next is disable the taxes on voucher. If you will enable or disable it, this will include the tax into voucher discount if this is enabled, and this will not include the taxes in the voucher discount if this is disabled. Next, we are having order status when points are awarded. If the point are awarded, then the order status should be delivered. When the order is being marked as delivered, then only the point will be awarded. If the order is going to be canceled on the status, then the points will be canceled. Then you have to save the configuration so that they can be saved and work on your store. Next, below the same, we are having a progression bar where you can have the order status for the initial or for the converted points, for the on-hold points, for the validation, for the cancellation. You can mention the convention as per your preferred language. Here the languages will be present of your store, whatever the language is working on your store. So you can do the name convention for the points accordingly proceeding to the next tab. We are having a loyalty point rule here. You can create the rule, you can edit, you can delete the rule, you can also export the same. Then first proceeding to create the rule, you have to click on Add New Rule. You will have a form to create the rule first. You is to mention the title, then you have to mention the description. Then the rule type is of card rule, product rule, behavior rule. You can choose any of them that you want to create. Proceeding further to creation with the first of card rule next. We are having enable disable the ratio. If you will enable it, you will have a field below the same. There you can mention the ratio. If the point is given as 2 according to the ordered amount, then it will be converted into mentioned ratio here. Suppose we have entered 2, so if the order is in place for the 10 USD, then you will get the 20 loyalty points. So this is how the ratio works next. We are having the start and end date that you have to mention since the rule will work on the start date and end on the ended mentioned date next. We are having the validation, how many time number of days in which the rule will be applicable, or the voucher that has been given to the customer is applicable. It is, we're going to valid for the 10 days, 20 days, 50 days, whatever. Then you have to activate this rule and click on Save. Once you will save, you will have a message like Rule Saved. successfully. Then you will be able to find 2 more tabs where you can mention the condition on which this rule will work, and the notification if you want to share the notification so you can enable the notification setting. If you will enable it, the user will get to know through the email that he has earned some loyalty point through the order has been placed. So let's create the condition for this rule. So we are creating it for the total amount should be equal or greater than 100. You can create the multiple conditions, and that can depend upon the condition junctions. If you have selected and all, so accordingly, the cart has to be satisfied, then only they will get to have the points, and that will be converted into voucher discounts. Proceeding further on the front end to check if the created rule is working fine. So we have to create a cart that should be equals to greater than 100. Let's increase the quantity so that cart can be satisfied. You have to place the order. You have to complete all the details. So when the order is being placed, you have to make the order match the order status so that the point can be awarded. So the order should be marked as delivered, then only the point will be awarded, as we have mentioned in the general setting. Go to the Loyalty Point tab, and you will find a total amount is of 2 to 9 that we have created. This is available from the order that we have placed, and it is in the available condition. So if you are going to place any another order, if you are going to satisfy the cart, then you are going to have the points again, or else you will get the earlier points into voucher, as you can see a tab to create the voucher of available points. You have to click on Redeem button. It will ask for the confirmation, and then you will have the voucher when you will click on it. It will automatically going to be updated on the voucher field. You will click on Add button. It will give you a discount of the amount that is being created on your cart, and rest will be in the partial use. You have to again complete the order to have your discount on your purchase. As you can see, the order is being confirmed with the available amount. The shipping was not included since we have not included the taxes. So this is how the loyalty point module works. Also, you can find your history in the loyalty point history tab in the email setting. You can change the template. You can add new template. You can edit the same in case you wanted to add any content. So this is how the PrestaShop Loyalty Point module works. Thank you.